In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a Substack publication. By the end, you'll have a brand new publication set up and ready for your writing, your newsletter, or whatever content you want to share with your audience. Let's start right at the beginning. Open your browser and go to substack.com. If you already have a Substack account, make sure you're signed in. If not, you'll want to create an account first by following the sign up prompts on the homepage. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Substack dashboard, which is the main area where you manage your writing and your publications. From here, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see an icon with three horizontal lines, often called the More menu. Go ahead and click on those three lines. This opens a side menu with a range of options for your account and publications. In that menu, find and click on Settings. This will take you to the Settings page where you can control different aspects of your Substack account and any publications tied to it. Don't worry if it looks like a lot at first. We're only focusing on creating a new publication right now. Once you're in the settings area, look for the option that says create another publication. This is what you'll use if you want more than one newsletter or project under the same account. Click on create another publication. Substack will then walk you through the basic setup for this new publication. The first thing you'll be asked for is your Substack URL. This is the web address people will use to find your publication. So try to choose something simple, clear, and related to your content or brand. Type in the URL you'd like to use. Substack will check if it's available. When you're happy with your choice and it's accepted, click Continue to move on. Next, Substack will give you the option to import an existing mailing list. This is useful if you already have subscribers from another platform or maybe from a previous newsletter. You can upload your contacts and bring them into Substack so they're ready to receive your posts. If you don't have a list yet or you're not ready to deal with that part, you can simply click Skip for now. You can always come back and import subscribers later. After that, you'll see a prompt to add your first subscribers. This is where you can manually add individual email addresses, maybe friends, colleagues, or your most loyal readers to seed your new publication. Again, this step is optional. If you'd rather get set up first and focus on content before inviting people, click Skip and move forward. Finally, Substack may ask you to recommend other Substacks. This is about building connections within the platform. You can choose to recommend publications you like, which can help your readers discover more content and sometimes encourages other writers to recommend you in return. If you don't have any in mind yet or just want to finish your setup quickly, you can skip this step as well. At this point, your new Substack publication is created. You're ready to customize it further, write your first post, and start sharing your work with the world.